Hello and welcome back to EGMD's YouTube channel. We're so glad you could join us here for another product highlight. Today we are taking a look at a heavy duty steam cleaner brought to us by Goodway. If you want to remove grease and grime and kill bacteria and microorganisms, all while using dry steam power in a food and beverage or manufacturing plant, this is the product that you want to hear more about. So, first of all, I said dry steam. Well, what is dry steam? How is dry steam different from regular steam? Well, dry steam is regular steam that has been superheated and delivers all of the cleaning and sanitation power of steam, but with much less moisture. And with our Goodway GVC 18000, you're going to be able to adjust that moisture level anywhere from 15 to down to 5%. Now, dry steam can be safely used in dry, clean environments or areas where wet cleaning is not really recommended. Plus, dry steam cleaning provides the benefit of targeted cleaning in dry environments where there is water sensitive equipment, for example, like wiring or motors. You could use dry steam cleaning in hard to reach areas and other challenging applications where just traditional dry cleaning methods, whether it be a damp towel, wiping some things, where those methods simply can't produce the results that you need. So, in order to accomplish this task, you're going to want the Goodway GVC 18000 continuous steam power cleaner. This is a commercial heavy duty industrial three-phase dry steam cleaner that is compact, maneuverable, and very, very powerful. With its two stainless steel boilers, each 2.4 gallons, that heat up tap water, regular water that you can use in your manufacturing facility, um, in a 10.4 gallon tank, it's going to produce continuous dry steam with that variable output pressure of 0 to 145 psi and an output temperature of 290 degrees Fahrenheit. It is going to obliterate oils, dirts, allergens like nuts or sesame seeds, bacteria, grease, grime on contact. Now it does have, you can see in the picture there, two chemical tanks or cleaning liquid tanks that are 1.3 gallons. This is a solid stainless steel structure. It has that refillable water tank, that 10.5 gallons, like we mentioned, but it also has the option with a continuous fill hose connection. So if you're in an area where you know you're going to be running it for quite some time and you have access to a hose, you can easily hook the hose up and run continuously. If you just need little small spots cleaned, you can fill up that 10.4 gallon tank and clean where you need. It has that adjustable steam volume. It has a steam output of 7 to 9 gallons per hour, depending on that moisture content that you set. Um, 4 chemical injection settings, and it has an option with a simultaneous vacuum available that you could attach to that dry cleaning head if you were to then get the Goodway vacuum. You'd be able to clean the best of both worlds, steam cleaning and vacuuming up some of that residual waste or debris. So, what comes with the GVC 18000? You're gonna get the complete accessory kit. So, we said it's that three-phase, boiler there. You're going to get a 33-inch hose with a pistol grip, those 2 chemical containers like we mentioned before. You'll also get a gallon of high temp cleaner. You can see in the picture there, the blue bottle, along with a 20-inch wand, a 40-inch wand, a pair of high temp gloves to protect your hands and your employees' hands, a close range nozzle, an accessory bin you see in the picture, just to keep all of the things that you need at the ready when you are cleaning in your facility. Side panel, keys as well, safety glasses, and then a variety of different brush heads. There'll be different sizes. You'll get 2.25-inch circular brush head, a 1.5-inch circular brush head, and then a 1-inch circular brush head. And you can see the different sizes there in the image, but these come in nylon, brass, and stainless steel. So you'll be able to use the brush that best fits your needs. Now, we can just take a little bit of a look here at the specifics of the actual cleaner. So, the portable dry vapor steam technology is really a hallmark innovation that customers expect from Goodway. With its only 5% water content, this dry vapor steam has been proven safe for most parts of production and packaging line, including, like we said, those sensitive parts like your electronics, your screws and bearings, where they're kind of susceptible to corrosion and rust. This dry steam isn't going to do that because the dry vapor steam at 290 degrees transfers most of its heat directly to those stainless steel surfaces. So really, you're not just heating the outside of the stuck on food particles, you're heating the entire surface that these things are clung to. So it's basically like cleaning the surface from the inside out. This technique is essential for removing those biofilms. Biofilms are like a cover of just living bacteria, and you want to be able to stop them or kill them from the inside. And you're able to do that with the sanitizers at 290 degrees. It's going to kill any living bacteria on the surface. So you can see that steam output at 59 pounds per hour. Um, the dimensions, it's 44 inches high, 28 inches wide, 41 inches deep, and its weight, like we said, it is going to be maneuverable, so it is on wheels, but it's 194 pounds net dry. So, what are some uses? Where would you use this? Well, any type of conveyor framework in areas where you have flow baggers or wrappers, even on your diamond plate steps or catwalks above your pumps or your vat pasteurizers, anywhere where there's a sandwich joint or niche areas where it's difficult to get in there, you'll be able to use those longer wands and dry steam clean that specific place. Conveyor belts with those automated attachments, which you can get from Goodway as well, and then motors and electrical conduit wiring, things like that. So really, Goodway is the go-to for cleaning and sanitizing dry cleaning production areas in food and beverage, even pharmaceutical manufacturing plants. It's going to remove that soil, bacteria, allergens just so easily, and you have all of the tools you need in one place on a GVC 18,000 cart. So contact us today if you would like to learn more information. If you would like a quote, please reach out to you. We'd be happy to give you that information. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.